Hey guys, Genevieve here with Trimark. Cascades move-in day is quickly approaching. Everyone here at the Trimark office is so excited, and we hope you all are too.
As residents of Cascades, you all will enjoy its incredible amenities, such as a rooftop terrace, 24-hour study rooms, and a beautiful trickling fountain outside perfect for lounging after class.
You will also get to use one of the newest apartment tech systems out there to get into your apartments, without a key. You will be able to get into your apartment using just a 7-digit code or your phone using the Latch app. Additionally, the Latch app is very secure. Each resident will be assigned their own door code and account, and they will only be able to enter their own units, and nobody else will be able to enter into theirs without the app on their phone or their 7-digit code. So let's find out exactly how you can use the Latch app to get into your apartment. If you haven't already, shortly you will receive an email to the address associated with your Trimark account with the subject "Welcome to Latch," inviting you to join the app. This email will prompt you to set a password for your account. This email will come from Latch support or no-reply@latch.com. If you don't see this email, be sure to check your junk box, as some email carriers could potentially flag it as spam. The first step is then go ahead and follow the link in the email to set your password for your Latch account. You will also be prompted in that same email to download the Latch app onto your phone from the App Store. You will find the Latch app in both the Apple and Android app stores.
Well, hello and welcome to Cascades Apartments. As you now have downloaded your Latch app, let's show you how to get into your apartment. First, you can launch your Latch app on your phone, and I'll show you all the different ways that you can use it to gain entry into your apartment. The first you'll see is a round circle up top, and that is your unit number. You can simply tap that unit number and you'll see it say connected. And if you look over here on the lock, you'll see it light up and you'll also hear it. And now you have access to your apartment. There is another way that you can use your phone to gain access to your apartment, and that's simply by holding it in close proximity to the door reader, and it will activate. Again, you'll see the lights and you'll be able to turn and get entry to your apartment. There's a third way that you can use Latch in order to get into your apartment without a key, and that is to use a personalized 7-digit code that will be issued to you on move-in. And conveniently, you can even find your code in your Latch app by going to the bottom on the menu screen and tapping My Door Codes. And right there is my door code. So tap the screen one time and type in your 7-digit code. And I've gained access to my Latch. So that's not all that your Latch app can do. Let's say you've got a friend coming over to help study. Well, you don't want to have to go down and let them in. The Latch app can help. Simply launch the Latch app and tap on Let Someone In. Then you'll follow a series of steps and you'll be able to let someone in not only to your apartment, but also to the secure entry door at the front of the building. Here's how. First, we enter the person's first name, and in the next line item, their last name. And the third line, we'll want to put in their cell phone number where they will receive a text message alerting them that they have been invited to access the Latch app. Now it will ask, which doors do you want to provide access to? You'll want to select the main building entry door and your unit entry door. Once you've made your selections, simply click Next. Now it will ask you what duration you want to provide access to your guest. You can select permanent, single day, or 15 minutes. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll select 15 minutes. Now it will ask, which day would you like to provide access? Again, for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll select today. Finally, it will ask you to confirm that all of the information is correct. Once you have confirmed, simply press Confirm and Send. And a window will pop up telling you success, that you have successfully invited your friend to come help you study. And click OK. So if you used the Let Someone In feature on your Latch app, this is what your friend will see. They'll receive a text message that asks them when they arrive at the property to use the following access code to gain entry. And you've gained access both to the building and then to the unit once you arrive. Let a friend in remotely. You can provide them access permanently, just for the day, or for 15 minutes. If you provide them access just for the day or for 15 minutes, that code will last only for that period of time, after which it will expire. So if they come back to visit another time, you'll have to issue them another code using the same Let Someone In feature of your Latch app. Each time you provide someone access, they will receive a unique 7-digit code in which to access the building's entry door. Well, if the unthinkable happens and your permanent friend is no longer permanent and you'd like to delete them and revoke access, guess what? The Latch app can help. Simply select the menu button in your Latch app and go to Manage Guests. Select the lock that you've given them access to and find the guest. Select their name, and you will see at the very bottom there's an option that says Revoke Access. Tap Revoke Access, and you can now revoke their access permanently by selecting OK. Or if you're having second thoughts, you can hit Cancel. Selecting OK, it will now tell you that you were successful in terminating that friendship. There's one more step once you've revoked access. You'll need to update guest list in your Latch device. Simply launch your Latch app, and at the bottom, you'll see now a blue screen that says Update Guests. Simply tap Update Guests and wait about 10 seconds, and the Latch will update itself to add or remove guests. It'll give you a green check, and the update is now complete. In developing the property, we wanted to make sure that all the exterior doors were secure, but we also wanted to make it convenient for all residents. By utilizing the Latch app and all of its technology and hardware, we were able to provide access through the app not only to your unit entry door, but also to the building's perimeter doors. So in addition to letting you in, the Latch app also makes sure that it keeps people out. After you've finished typing in your code, used your phone to enter, the lock will automatically relock. So be sure that when you leave your apartment, you either have your phone or your 7-digit code.
So as you can see, the process of using the Latch app to open your apartment doors is super simple. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. If you have any problems along the way, please don't hesitate to contact us at the Trimark office and we will help you through the process. We hope you all are enjoying your last few days of summer and we can't wait to see you on Move-In Day.